Hello! Let's talk about hair thinning, a common experience for women over 50. It's something many of us face, yet it's rarely discussed openly. As we age, our hair changes, often becoming thinner or less full. This can happen gradually, and sometimes it catches us by surprise. Over 40% of women notice some hair thinning by this stage. It's a shared experience, even if it feels isolating at times. You're not alone, and there's no shame in it. Many women feel self-conscious, but support is out there. Hair is closely tied to our identity, so changes can feel personal. It's normal to have mixed emotions about it. But remember, this is as natural as getting wrinkles or gray hairs. Our bodies change, and so does our hair. Understanding what's happening is the first step to feeling better. Knowledge can help replace worry with confidence. This guide will help you learn why hair thinning happens and what you can do. We'll explore both the science and the solutions. Knowledge empowers you to make choices that fit your lifestyle. You can take small steps that make a real difference. This isn't about fighting aging. It's about embracing it with the right tools. Self-care is a form of self-respect. Let's focus on nurturing your hair and your confidence. Taking care of yourself can be empowering and uplifting. You've already taken a positive step by seeking information. That's something to be proud of. Changes in your hair don't change your worth or beauty. You are still the same vibrant person inside. Together, we'll explore practical steps to care for your hair. There are gentle routines and products that can help. Let's begin this journey with kindness and positivity. Support from others can make all the difference. You deserve to look and feel your best, at every age and in every stage of life. Why does hair thin as we age? It's a mix of hormones, genetics, and life changes. Menopause is a major factor. Lower estrogen and progesterone mean hair grows slower and sheds faster. Androgens, or male hormones, become more influential, shrinking hair follicles and making hair finer. Genetics play a big role. If women in your family had thinning hair, you might too. Your genes determine how sensitive your follicles are to hormonal changes. Aging slows cell renewal, including on your scalp. Nutritional deficiencies and chronic stress can also disrupt hair growth. Stress pushes more hairs into the shedding phase. So, hair thinning after 50 is usually a combination of hormones, genetics, aging, and lifestyle. Understanding these factors helps you take control. You can address what's within your power. Let's look at how to recognize the signs. Early signs of thinning hair are subtle but important to notice. A widening part or more visible scalp is often the first clue. A smaller, lighter ponytail or more hair in your brush can signal changes. Thinning may also show at the temples or hairline, even if it's not dramatic. Hair may lose volume and become harder to style. Take photos of your part and hairline every few months to track changes. If you notice these signs, don't panic. Awareness is empowering. Recognizing thinning early lets you seek solutions sooner. Being proactive is a positive step. Now, let's talk about lifestyle changes that can help. Your hair reflects your overall health, so even small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. The choices you make every day, what you eat, how you manage stress, and how you care for your hair can all impact its strength, shine, and growth. Eat enough protein. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and beans support hair growth. Protein is the building block of hair, so make sure your meals are balanced and nourishing. Iron is crucial. Include foods like red meat and spinach, and pair with vitamin C for better absorption. Low iron can lead to hair thinning, so don't overlook this important nutrient. Manage stress. Chronic stress increases hair shedding. Stress can disrupt your hair's natural growth cycle, so finding ways to unwind is essential. Try walks, yoga, meditation, or quiet time to relax. Even a few minutes a day can help your body and mind recover. Be gentle with your hair, avoid harsh heat tools, use heat protectant, and brush carefully from ends upward. Treating your hair with care helps prevent breakage and split ends. Skip tight hairstyles that pull on follicles. Opt for loose styles to reduce tension and protect your scalp. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours for cell regeneration. Good sleep supports your body's natural repair processes, including hair growth. Regular exercise boosts scalp circulation and relieves stress. Movement helps deliver nutrients to your hair follicles and keeps your whole body healthy. These habits create a healthy foundation for hair growth. Over time, you'll notice improvements in both your hair and your overall well-being. They support your body and any treatments you choose. If you have concerns, talk to a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Consistency is key. Results take time. Track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Focus on what you can control. Embrace the journey and be patient with yourself. Healthy habits benefit your hair and your well-being. They also help you feel more confident and energized every day. Next, let's explore treatment options and discover what else you can do for your healthiest hair yet. If lifestyle changes aren't enough to address thinning hair, don't worry. There are a variety of effective treatments available that can make a real difference. Minoxidil, commonly known by the brand name Rogaine, is a proven topical treatment that stimulates hair follicles and can help thicken hair over time. It's available over the counter and is often recommended as a first step. For best results, it's important to use minoxidil consistently, applying it every day as directed. Patience is key, as it may take several months to notice visible improvements. Specialized shampoos and scalp products with ingredients like caffeine or saw palmetto can support scalp health and may help reduce hair shedding. These products help create the best environment for hair growth by nourishing the scalp and keeping hair follicles healthy. For some women, prescription options like spironolactone or hormone therapy may be recommended, especially if hair loss is linked to hormonal changes. Always consult your doctor for a proper diagnosis and to discuss the best treatment plan for your needs. Blood tests can reveal underlying issues such as thyroid problems, anemia, or nutritional deficiencies that might be contributing to hair thinning. Supplements can help if you're low in iron, vitamin D, or zinc, but it's important to only take what you truly need, based on your doctor's advice. Comprehensive hair supplements may support overall hair health, but remember that more isn't always better. Balance is key. Always check with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatments or supplements to ensure they're safe and right for you. The right approach is personal. What works for one person may not work for another, so take time to find what's most effective for you. Support your hair from the inside and out by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and using nourishing hair care products. Now, let's talk about gentle care and styling to help protect your hair and keep it looking its best. How you care for and style your hair makes a big difference. Use lukewarm water and gentle shampooing to avoid stripping moisture. Always condition mid-lengths and ends to reduce friction. Dry hair gently with a soft towel or t-shirt. No rough rubbing. Detangle with a wide-tooth comb starting at the ends. Shorter, layered cuts can add volume and make hair look fuller. Talk to your stylist about styles that suit your hair's texture and density. Volumizing mousse or root-lifting sprays can boost fullness. Blow dry with your head upside down for extra lift. Hair fibers or scalp powders can camouflage thinning areas for a confidence boost. Choose products that add volume without weighing hair down. Smart styling protects your hair and enhances its appearance. Let's finish with embracing your hair and confidence. Managing hair thinning is about more than treatments, it's about mindset. It's normal to feel frustrated, but remember, your hair doesn't define you. Focus on your strengths, wisdom, and kindness. Taking proactive steps gives you control and confidence. Celebrate small victories, like finding a product you love or mastering a new style. Most people notice your smile and presence, not your hair. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Share your feelings. You're not alone in this journey. Assess your hair and scalp, try a lifestyle change, and consult a professional if needed. Be patient and gentle with yourself. You're navigating a natural change with strength and grace. Confidence comes from within. You are beautiful at every stage.